Oh, we've got a firecracker today. This is a 1965 Chevelle Convertible. Has $90,000 in receipts. It's a complete body off frame restoration. And I tell you what, you can spend a lot of money on a car. Doesn't mean it's going to turn out good. This one turned out excellent. They did a great job. 388 stroker under the hood, making 400 horsepower. 4-speed transmission sitting between these bucket seats. Posi rear end, power steering, power disc brakes, tilt wheel, padded dash. It's got tachometer, gauges, all sorts of good stuff. Go to volocars.com to read all about it, and that's where you'll find price tags on 200 collector cars, all for sale, along with monthly finance options too. You can afford this car. Right now, the top's down. Join me. Let's go for a spin. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click that bell icon so you're notified when the next one's posted. So here we go again. I'm going to tell you it's laser straight. It's a piece of red glass. There's one imperfection right here, little like blister. But I'm telling you, this is a red mirror. The gaps are as tight as a Lexus, all nice and square and lined up, smooth all the way to the bottom. Straight. This is not a wavy, not a ripply car. This door lines up beautifully, opens easily, closes like a new car, no window rattle or nothing. The lines are nice. It's smooth all to the bottom. This is red glass. I'm looking in it, seeing the reflection of the ceiling like a mirror. It's torch red, so it's a nice bright red. So far, that's the only flaw I could find so far. Absolutely smooth, glossy, beautiful, real nice. Let's see how this door does. Opens easily, closes like a new car. On the inside paint, there's a little chip right here in the paint. Must just be touching something right there. Nice. So the paint is a 9.5 out of 10, the paint and body as far as I'm concerned. Oh, here's a little surface mark. I think that will polish off. Just a little light scuff on the paint right there. This trim is extra shiny. It's really polished. The windshield's crystal clear. The wiper arms are shiny. The Chevrolet letters are sparkling. The grille is shiny. The bumper's beautiful. Everything up here looks fantastic. The spear down the middle of the hood is nice, bright chrome. Love the cross flag emblems. It says 327. Little do they know, surprise, surprise, we'll have 388 under the hood. The vent window frames look new. Brilliant, bright chrome. Bow tie mirrors on both sides. New door handles. New window fuzzy strips. Has a high quality white convertible top. It's a power top. You can see pictures of that on the website. Sitting on 14x7 rally wheels. Malibu SS emblems are sharp. All the trim, the lenses, all this stuff looks new. Yep, new gas tank even. All real sharp looking car. We're starting something new. You can text to 844-592-2432. Text the word new. If you wanted to be updated every time we get a new arrival, it'll text it to you. You can click on the link if it interests you. That's NEW. But right now, let's open it up. I got a lot more to show you on this new arrival. We're going to open the trunk, show you the inside. So underneath is painted slick like the top. I mean, that's nice. The jam is as slick as the car. Weatherstrip is new. Inside is all clean metal. Has a new well liner for the top. Nice cut carpet with bound edges, and it has this insulation pad underneath it. That does help keep it dry. The rubber mats actually keep moisture under there. It'll rust the trunk. Rally wheel for a spare. Good tire. I don't see a jack. Buy It Now button is next to every car on our website. That will lock it in for you if you see something you like before someone else beats you to it. We have about 200 cars on our site. We actually have about 50 more at all times in the process of being serviced. So the jambs are real nice and clean. Door latches look replaced. The Weatherstrips, sill plates look new. All new bright white interior. The door panels, the armrests look new. Even up by the hinges, the paint's real nice and shiny. So this has the optional dash pad. That is new. It looks like the entire instrument bezel, the plastic, is all new. 2,378 miles. That's since the body off frame restoration. All the gauges look new. They're the factory type. You have a tachometer, and you have the actual gauges, not dummy lights. Those all look new to me. Retro stereo fits right in the factory spot. You do have dual speakers in here. Malibu SS trim. New glove box liner. Our shop inspects the cars. Here's a multi-page inspection sheet that it's already been through. And then if you buy the car, it gets a second inspection. They check it over one more time before it leaves, and that will go with the car. Kick panels are real nice. Reproduction mats on top of nice black carpet. I can tell you I'm sitting on the seats. They're nice and firm. They've been recushioned and reupholstered, so they feel good, and it also makes the upholstery fit real nice. This was before seat belts were required, but this does have a set of GM reproduction belts in front. Console's beautiful. I don't know if they make these new or if this is restored, but the chrome is sparkling. And then you got a real nice 4-speed Hurst shifter. Moving to the back. Also has floor mats, real nice carpet. Has some aftermarket seat belts in the back. The seat's nice and firm. All the upholstery's replaced. Armrest. The convertible top boot isn't attached properly. There's like a rail here that this bead, you got to slide it through there. I would have done that, but I just didn't have enough time. And that'll look much better once it's attached in there properly. And all these receipts will go with the car. Caleb was helping me out. He went through and read a lot of these, and all that information will be posted on our website on the description. We have a tilt wheel with a walnut rim steering wheel and a tilt column with some nice billet levers. Visors look new. All right, let's get to that motor. So I had to confirm it's a 388 stroker, which I never heard of. I've heard of a 383. I thought it was a typo. But yes, that is a 388 stroker motor. Again, all the paperwork comes with the car. 400 horsepower. So up on top, it's got a nice Edelbrock intake. Looks like a Holly carb hiding underneath there with electric choke. Actually, it's got stock exhaust manifolds. The wires are run neatly. Has the heat shields around the spark plugs. I love finned aluminum valve covers. And everything I'm looking at just looks brand new. Well, it is. It's a fresh build. All painted, clean, tidy. Delco battery topper, bolted down properly. Spring clamp cables. The radiator looks new, along with the cap and the shroud and the fan. All the brackets, pulleys, fuel pump, alternator, all looks fresh. It has power steering. Washer bottles hooked up. Do you guys know what this is? It's a glass bottle of washer fluid. That would have been a concentrate. You'd pour in like a couple ounces and fill the rest with water. Upgraded with power disc brakes. It's a dual reservoir. Back in '65 it would have been single. So if your brakes go out, you lose all your brakes. Well, now it's divided into 2 circuits. Cadmium plated booster, new wiper motor. And again, look at all the metal finishes. Look how clean, how nicely painted it is. So Caleb's going to take you for a drive. We're back to driving the cars because the weather is cooperating a little bit. We'll see you in a minute.
65 Chevelle SS, guys. Taking her around the block, showing you how she drives. I couldn't resist. We had a sunny day. We got the top down. We have to do it on a convertible. I think this is probably my favorite Chevelle that we have currently on the inventory. So I'm hoping it drives as nice as it looks, but so far feels really good. Super solid over bumps. Steers straight down the road. Power steering's nice. These wood steering wheels are so comfortable. And of course the best part, that 4-speed. Brakes feel really good. I got the heat on, so it is only in the low 40s. Radio works on it. Let's see if I can find a channel while we wait for some traffic to clear. Yeah. See, there you go. All right, let's see what she's got. Woo! 1, 2, 3, 4, guys, just like that. She's a ripper. Don't let the big body fool you, because she moves. Straight down the road. And I'd cruise this home, no problems. I live about 40 minutes away. This thing's awesome. Everyone's staring at it, you know, red with white interior. It doesn't get better than that. Whew, chirped some tires right there. But
Folks, this is a really nice car. Fit, finish, and function is excellent on this car. Even the guys around here, Caleb, who drove it, and the guys in the shop are saying this one's nice. This one actually flew through our shop, went through service like bing, bang, boom. Underneath is just as nice as what you're seeing on top. Body off the frame and just everything at a glance. It all looks new. The brake lines, the fuel tank, all the steering and suspension all looks like it's rebuilt, and new bushings, and I think it has a quick ratio steering box in it. Upgraded with disc brakes in front, drum in back. That's all been redone. Real nice sounding dual exhaust system, neatly installed. You look up at the motor, it's spotless Chevy orange, has a high torque starter, has the 4-speed transmission, has 342 posi gears in the back. The frame, the floor, all the metal surfaces are smooth. They're painted a nice semi-gloss black. It practically looks like a new car underneath. I think this had box control arms in the back. That's what I wanted to confirm. So really, really nice car. I'm sure there's a lot of nice 65 red Chevelles out there. I'm telling you, in person, I guarantee this would be, out of 100, this would be in the top 5 for sure. Go to volocars.com. The salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door and how to get that financing. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. That way you're notified when the next video is posted. And don't forget to text to 844-592-2432. Text the word new if you want to be sent a text every time there's a new arrival. Thanks for watching.